Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Sakina binti Hanizat, matric number S699Y9. Today, I will present my project on the development of a business software using the System Development Life Cycle SDLC. And then for this project, I selected a payroll system. Okay, the first, I copy the prompts and then pass it into the Gemini. Then I selected the business software system, which is the payroll system. Okay, and then the WBSID format is 1, 2, 3 until 12, and then the durations format is show it the days such as 5 day, 7 day, and so on. And then the predecessor column show the activity dependency including the parallel activity using the numbers such as 1, 2, 3 and others. After the WBS was generated, I review the output to ensure it meet all the project requirements, include the parallel tasks in the physical design and implementation process. Okay, and then once Gemini has generated the WS table, the next step is to export in Google Sheet by click the Export to Sheet button. Okay, next, I copy the Gantt chart prompt and pass it into Gemini. Then I wait to Gemini to generate the Gantt chart image based on the WBS data. Okay. And then finally, I copy the prompt to generate the project network diagram, also known as the PERT diagram, and pass it into Gemini. Then I wait for Gemini to generate the network diagram, which show the sequences of activity, dependency, and the find out and find in of parallel tasks. Okay, then I copy all the data and pass it into the Excel. Okay, then I pass the data into Excel and convert it into a table. So, and next I check the predecessor column and correct any error based on the PERT diagram. Okay. After that, I save the file for further use. Okay, next the Microsoft project, select the new from Excel workbook and then choose the Excel file that I saved earlier. Okay, then click the next, and choose the task and click the next. And then choose the sheet 1. Okay, after that, the WBS ID is the ID. And then description is the name. And then start date is start. And then predecessor is the predecessor. And then click the finish. Okay, after export the file, all data will appear. Then I select all the data and go to the task tab and set it the auto schedule. Okay, after that, I check the predecessor column because there are some error and then I correct them. Okay, once everything is done, I can view the Gantt chart and network diagram to compare and make sure it match the output generated by Gemini. This is the network diagram. Okay, this is the Gantt chart. That's all for me. Thank you.